I did a ETL process, my address detail. I use a store procedural USP address detail. Then I transform the data into the transform table using store procedural. Let me do. This is the stored procedural where I grab all the data, and after extracting the data from this is the extract data, and I load it. Yeah, I transform it. And you can see the city names and the state name now. It's more easier for the business to analyze to see it. The data flow on my table for data flow for that transform is pretty big. All I did was from each of the table I sort out the primary keys and just merged them all together, and that's how it went to the destination. For the final process is just to load it to the final database where I don't have duplicate. I use a store procedure to make sure I don't have a duplicate data. Yeah, using that where not exists, so I won't have duplicate data in my load table. And how they made it more readable for the people who want to look at the data, where you can actually see the city names, states, and their zip codes.